Have you ever wondered how to bring your products to life with animation? Stick around because I'm about to show you how easy it is to animate your designs using Canva, and it's perfect for beginners. Now let's get started. Once you log into your Canva account, at the top you're going to type in Facebook video. You're going to come down here, create a blank Facebook video. When it's open, guys, we're going to go to the top and we're going to change the color to like a orange yellow. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to go to elements on the left. And we're going to type in circle top. Okay guys, so we're going to change the color to like a lighter pink. Okay. And we're going to make it bigger. Okay, make sure it's centered. The next thing we want to do is duplicate this pink. We're going to change the color of it. And we're going to make it smaller. Bring it inside. Okay. And then we're going to duplicate this pink. And we're going to change it to the color, this color blue here. Okay. And then guys, we're going to duplicate this. And we're going to change it to the color white. And we're going to make it smaller. We're going to put it in the middle. Drag it out a little bit more. Okay. Make sure it's centered. Okay guys, so once that's done, we're going to highlight this. And we're going to go to position. I want to make sure that the middle and center are unchecked. Okay, so that we see that it's not. The next thing we want to do is go to elements and we're going to type in sneakers. Okay. And we're going to go to photos and we're going to scroll down until you find the shoes that you want to use. Okay. I'm going to use these here. I'm going to reduce the size of it. All right. I'm going to drag it up some in the center. Okay guys, once that's done, we're going to highlight everything and then we're going to go to animate and we're going to go to pop. We're going to decrease the speed all the way down and now we're going to just press play. And there you have it guys. So guys, this looks pretty good to me. And just like that, you created your first product animation in Canva. Now go ahead and experiment with different effects and make your products pop. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.